Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the official ninja skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw these. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes. So we're going to draw in the top of the eyelid first. So just draw one line across, and then dip it down on each side. And then same thing on the other side. So one line across and just dip it down. Okay, and then from there, right underneath that line, just a little half circle for the eyeballs. And then on the inside, and this is gonna be a little bit smaller, I'm just gonna draw another circle. That's gonna be my highlight, and I will shade around it. Okay, so those are the eye shape, and then for the eyebrow, it's gonna be a little bit different. Looks like there's a little bit of expression on it. So this one's gonna be a little bit lower. So just come on top right here, right above the eye. Let's draw a little curve going out. And let's just finish this eyebrow first. So we'll come up, and then we'll just follow that curve. It's gonna be like a little bar. And then at the end, just turn it and close it off, make it a little bit sharper. Okay, and now on the other side is a little bit higher. So from the point right here, just go up a little bit higher this time. And we're gonna draw the same eyebrow. So one curve, and then again, just go up. Just follow that, and then close it off at the end, nice and sharp. Okay, so that's probably the trickiest part. So now for his nose, just come down right from the corner of the eyes. You can make two little marks, and then just close it off. Just give it a little bit of a bump. Okay, and then for his lip, really simple. Just come down, it's one line across, and then for the lower lip, just a smaller line. Okay, so now we can finish up the shape of the head with the face. So just come to the side right here. Draw like two lines coming down, all the way down to his mouth. And then from this point here, we'll curve it in. Finish up the jaw and then the chin. Just close it off. And then from there, let's draw in the headband. So right over the eyebrow right here, just one line across. And then from this line, we'll extend it. And then turn that into a rectangle. So this is going to be the headband. And before we draw in the awesome looking hair, let's finish up the bottom right here first. This is going to be part of the hair. So right in the corner here, just come out and then just kind of go into the face. So right around the eye area right here. Okay, so that's part of his hair. And then for his ear, just go from the corner here. Just draw a little curve. It's gonna give us his ear. Alright, so now let's go up and draw his hair. So we're gonna start at this point first. From here, we'll curve, one big curve going up. And then just come down slightly and we'll stop right there. We'll go back to this side. This part, just bracket up and then come down. So now we have both sides and we just have to finish up the middle. So this one's a little bit easier. So now I'm just gonna draw a couple more spikes. Just go up and then just slant it toward this point. And then right here on the side here, we'll add one more, smaller one. So there's a lot more spikes inside, so we'll just kind of simplify it. So right on the side right here, just gonna draw one. And one little spike, and then right here just come across, just draw one bigger one, come back down to the headband. Okay, so we'll leave it like that, and let's move on to the body. And the body's a little bit easier because the clothing is actually very simple to draw. So we're gonna start out with his neck. Let's come down. and then come toward the center, just leave a little bit of space. This is gonna be part of the hoodie and the collar. And then just angle it down. Come to the side here, just draw 2 lines first. Now we're gonna come back up here, right around the jawline. This is gonna be his hoodie, so we'll curve it down right around here. And then whatever space you have here, just close it off. Okay, so that's his hoodie. So now let's continue on with the body. Right here on this corner, on his shoulder, he's got really wide shoulders on this one. Now we'll pinch it down. This is gonna be his waist right here. And then we'll flare it back out. Okay, and then to finish up the jacket right here, come back up here, this point. Just gonna draw a straight line going down and go past this point here. Same thing here. And then whatever space you have here, just connect it. Just give you a nice little slant. And then one more detail on this jacket right here. From this collar right here, just come out. And then go straight down. And then hook it back up. And then on the inside, his little shirt right here, just draw a little slant. So that one's easy. Okay, so here's his armpit. I'm just gonna draw 2 little lines. And let's draw in his arms and we'll add in the details to the jacket. So here's the armpit, here's the shoulder. Just kind of come down straight. Here's the bicep. I'm just kind of continuing this line here. So this is his elbow. The lower arm will flare out. This one's gonna curve and this one's straight down. Just pass it, close it with a slant. Okay, so right around here. And then for his fist, it's one little hook. That's for his thumb, and then here's the back of the fist. And then just draw a little check right here. Just hook it back into the thumb. And since we're here, just finish up the hand right here. So right in the corner, just go to this corner. And then it's got those open finger gloves. So right in here, just draw another line. So this part's gonna be black. Alright, so let's draw on the other side. So same thing here, shoulder coming down. Here's the bicep, come down and then just kind of continue this line. Again, here's the elbow. Lower arm will flare out. This one's gonna curve straight down past this point. Close it off. And then same thing here. Let's come down, little hook. Back of the fist. And then let's come down, go back into the thumb. And then same thing here, from this corner, go to this corner. And then one little line here for the open finger gloves. Okay, and then let's go back up for the details on the jacket. So let's see, it's got 2 strings right here. Just gonna draw 1, and then 1 more on this side. Let's give a slight curve. And then right here, flare out, and then real sharp. Flare out, then close it. Slightly longer. Okay, and then for the details in here from the armpit, just draw 2 lines coming in and then go back out. So this part's gonna be black. And then right on the elbow right here, in the middle, just gonna draw a line. And then on this part, just go out. So this part's gonna be black too. Okay, so that's the upper body, and then for his legs are easy as well. So just come down the center, now draw a line across, go back to the center. Just gonna add one extra fold. And then let's come down. So here's the center. Go over a little bit and just come down again. So we're drawing the inside first. Now we'll come out here, come down, and then it's kind of flare out a little bit. So it's just die and then we'll flare out. And then from this point here, just come in and then close it. So this is gonna be his knee right here. Just slant in, close it. All right, and then for his knee, it's very easy. Draw a little bracket. Just kind of round it out, close it off. And then I'm just gonna add one line in between. I know there's supposed to be two, but we'll simplify it. Same thing here, just curve down, round it off, and then same details. All right, and then the lower leg, just flare out. It's a little bit skinnier on the bottom, so we just taper it in. Just close it off first. And then for a shoe, just a little dome shape, just come down, just come out a little bit more on this side. Close it off, and we'll add in the details later. Let's draw on the other side first. So flare out, and pinch it back in. Close it and then dome shape, curve, and just come out a little bit more on this side. Okay, and then for the details, just one line across, and then the center here, just a little rectangle going up. Okay, so that's the regular version one, and yeah, for the one with the mask, you just kind of draw a line here. Right, you can just draw a line here and then erase out these details, or actually you wouldn't be drawing these details. So we just draw in the shape of the head and just draw a line there. And now for the other version, slightly different. It's got no facial features, just kind of like a logo for his eyes right here. So let's just draw that. If you want to draw that version, this one's a lot easier. This is going to be the top of his eye, just two slants like this. And then just kind of curve it in. Alright, and then from there on the side, just draw two lines coming down, and then we can close off the top first, and then we'll continue down. So this is gonna be this jawline right here. Just kind of curve it in. Okay, and then up here, just one line across, so a lot easier to draw. And then there's gonna be two lines right here. And then the rest is pretty much the same. You know, for the headband, we'll just go out. And I'll just quickly rough it in. And then same thing here, his hair is gonna come out. And then for his ear. Okay, so pretty much everything else is gonna be the same. Just the only difference is this part. Alright, so that is it for this ninja icon skin. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.